Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this one we are going to do a quick run through of the find index array method. Okay, and basically from the name itself, the find index array method returns the index of the first element in an array that satisfies a provided callback function. Okay, so basically let me just quickly show you. And it's important for me to note that if there is no, well, maybe I'll just wait, and when I get there I would mention it. Okay, so let me show you how it works. So this is an array of ages, and I'm going to create a function to check for ages that are 18 years and above. Okay, so I'm just going to call that function is adult, as I've been doing in the previous videos. And this function is going to take this age. Okay, and here we're just going to return age that is greater than or equal to 18. So it's a very simple function. All right, so I'll come down here, I'll create another variable, and this one is going to be result, and I'm going to set it to be ages dot find index. Okay, so ages dot find index, and then let's pass in our function as a callback here. So I'll do that and I'll close this. So we can then go ahead and console.log results, and save. All right, so what do you think would happen? So let's just see. Okay, so we have 2 here. All right, so let's come to our ages array and count. So remember that our arrays are 0 based. So this is 0, this is 1, and then this is 2. Okay, so we found the age 18 at array index 2. All right, so what happens if there is no age that meets this test here? So basically I'm going to change this to maybe like 15, and I'm just going to change this to maybe like 12, and then I'll save. So let me just tell you what the result we'll get. We're going to get a -1. So when you use the find index array method and there is no element that meets that satisfy that test in the callback function, we're going to get a -1. Okay, so let me run this and let's see. Okay, so you see here we have a -1. Okay, so basically that's how the find index array method works. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do, and leave a like on the video. All right, see you in the next one.